Here's a way to make your calf raises a lot more interesting. So rather than the traditional single posture raising of the heels, what we're going to do is imagine this posture here is going back this way, and then you're going to shoot it back up. We're going to basically initiate the calf raise based upon the pocketing of the posture, shooting out of the posture. If the two-legged version is too easy, you can do it with a single leg, like this. Guaranteed to burn your hamstrings. If you don't have a Bosu ball, but you've got some of these, same deal, same deal. If you don't have this, you can do it on the floor or on a platform so that your heels can drop. And that's how you can make your calf raises more interesting.